Still working in AutoCAD but aiming for a BIM job? You must understand this Revit fundamental first. So welcome to the Revit Basics fundamental course everyone should know. And this course is purely job focused, interview focused, and based on real time project experience. And this course is designed for whom? For Revit Architecture students, Revit Structure learners, and Revit MEP students as well. I am teaching you in the Revit version, Revit 2026. But don't worry, if you don't have Revit 2026 and you're using any other version, the course is designed in a way it is purely workable for Revit 25, Revit 2024, 23, and other versions as well. And this course is designed for targeting students starting Revit from zero knowledge, professionals who are confused about Revit basics, site engineers shifting their career into BIM, and those who want to become BIM modeler and BIM engineer. Anyone moving from AutoCAD to Revit, that is 2D drafting to 3D modeling, they can utilize this course and excel. What we will do in this course is prepare you for interview based learning and tool test. And if you are serious about learning Revit the correct way, start with this course, and welcome to Revit Basics job oriented course. So let's start. Let's move to the next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.